Amidst the chaos previous year, there premiered an anime on 2nd of October 2020. Yes, it was none other than Jujutsu Kaisen. Produced by MAPPA and directed by Sungu Park, Jujutsu Kaisen created a storm on its release. Well, manga readers might have known about this show, but for me, who only watches anime, I was all unknown of it on its release. I got it recommended from one of my friends when I was telling him about the superb animation of God of High School. He then told me that God of High School ko chhod Jujutsu Kaisen dekh, mercilessly trolling the lack of detailing in the former. Yes, there was a lack of explanation in season 1 of God of High School, but man, its animation, fights, and characters make it a fun anime to watch. Let us not deviate from our topic. I started watching Jujutsu when 15 or 16 episodes of it were released, as I was thinking to watch it once all of its episode released. But I started watching it thinking I can wait that much. But man, I was so wrong. Every episode ended in such a cliffhanger situation that made me count the days remaining for the next episode to screen. One such episode was where Todo and Yuji make their entry for a fight of action brilliance against Hanami, and that episode far exceeded my expectations. This is one of the strong points of Jujutsu Kaisen. They introduced us to so many characters in the sister school exchange event, yet they have not introduced Hakari and Okotsu, turned by Gojo Sensei as talented, becoming Jutsu sorcerers on par with him. They have shown us the power of Gojo Sensei, but without the worthy opponent against him. They showed so much, yet so little. This feeling that there lies such promising stories sometimes forced me to read manga of it, which is quite ahead of its anime in the storyline. But with all due respect to manga readers, it will not quite excite me like these episodes backed by amazing background music and superb animation do. So we just have to wait. Jutsu Kaisen also have this uncanny resemblance with Naruto, a beast inside the main character, and that character being lonely, wanting more friends. Gojo Sensei also resembles Kakashi Sensei, be it the stylish hair or a piece of cloth covering a part of the face. The only difference being is that we didn't need to wait much for those Gojo Sensei's stylish eyes. Characters of Jujutsu Kaisen also appeal to you straight away without knowing their background much. It is also appreciating how Jujutsu Kaisen shows the background stories of its characters. Useless Miwa conveyed her tragic story in just 2 lines. It does not explain the background of its characters as elaborative as One Piece, but explains it quite effectively, which kind of feels satisfying to you. It's the pace of Jujutsu Kaisen that made it stand out from the crowd. This is the new trending thing in anime. Demon Slayer also belonged to this category. Jujutsu Kaisen also has this dark thing in it, but they have kept it balanced with its humors. And its humor is so good that it doesn't feel forced anywhere. Todo and Yuji bromance is so good. How Todo just makes a background story, slaps Yuji, and give him training, making Yuji much stronger than before. A special mention goes to the super funny and creative post-credit scenes. Mappa Animation Studio have done a tremendous job animating this. God of High School and now Jujutsu Kaisen. It's on a roll. I watched Jankyo no Terror for this fact only that it was backed by the Mappa Studio, and it was a quite good anime in itself. Mappa also has this anime Dorohe Doro. I haven't watched it, but if it is good, drop down a comment and I'll make sure to watch it. Jujutsu Kaisen's opening and ending songs are also quite good. Lost in Paradise even won the best ending anime song in the Crunchyroll Anime Awards. Background music is also spot on in the anime. That music during the fight of Hanami with Todo and Yuji though, epic. Its manga is still running, so there is a lot of story left in the anime. I just want the team of Jujutsu Kaisen to release the ongoing seasons of it as soon as possible and not like Demon Slayer, which after its superb season 1 have only released a movie. As for anime, I don't have this personal favorite thing. Anime which I love instantly goes in my top 5. There are currently 10 to 15 animes in my top 5 and Jujutsu Kaisen is one of them. So that was all from the video. If you liked it, do smash that like. Comment down below what you like about Jujutsu Kaisen. Subscribe the channel for more fun content and do share it with your friends, family and otakus. Peace out.